Welcome back to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, this is an emergency add-on. I received emails about the Bitmex deal as far as with the XRP swap contracts. So I added this on to my video, and this is actually a perfect time to talk about it because this goes right into my actual video. Now, with this XRP, guys, XRP is going to get a short pump because they're going to short it. Guys, remember the whole point of my channel is to teach you that the game is rigged. We're playing crypto chess here, guys. And guys, make sure you subscribe and hitting that bell because definitely you want to stay up on this. But the fact is that they're using XRP to create liquidity in Bitcoin. You have to actually use Bitcoin as far as with the XRP USD contract. So basically you're using Bitcoin as collateral. You're creating liquidity inside of Bitcoin. So this is going to run perfectly into my next video because, the video that I had attached to this one is that we're going to have a Bitcoin ETF. They're trying to create the most liquidity they can inside of Bitcoin the same way as you have the US dollar. They're going to short XRP. Guys, you may be thinking a penny or 2 pennies. Remember LIBOR was only a half a penny and a penny? You're talking about billions of dollars. That's a lot of money. A penny is a lot of money when you're talking about billions of dollars. So as high as they can get it, they're going to short it. So the fact is that this is just a temporary pump. Now, is XRP going to move up? Yes. When Bitcoin moves up, but right now Bitcoin is not moving up right now. I told you it's not going to move up until starting in May. The Federal Reserve is busy pumping money inside of the system. Guys, get your friends, your family, everybody get subscribed to this channel. This channel is going to give you truth. This channel is going to keep you into reality. But that's all I had to say. Now we're going to run into the next video. It's going to be a video of Mark speaking with Kaiser report. But yes, we're definitely going to get a Bitcoin ETF. And guys, enjoy the video and enjoy the rest of this video also.
TCP/IP was an operating system, or iOS and Android are operating systems. So when we have the Internet of everything, when everything's connected, we're going to need these digital currencies, these digital payment systems, these digital payment rails. And I think Bitcoin will be the base layer. Just like we have the internet stack of protocols. We have TCP/IP, we have HTTP, we have SMTP, we have FTP, we have www. The same thing's going to happen in blockchain technology, and I think Bitcoin will be at the base level of that stack of protocols. So,
welcome back to the Crypto Teacher. Thanks for visiting the channel and listening. And this is going to be a quick video. Guys, please subscribe and hit the bell so therefore you don't miss a video when it comes out. Now we're going to go over the Bitcoin ETF, and this is very important to the actual market. Now, why hasn't a Bitcoin ETF been approved? And remember, we go back to the system and what I teach is that this is all rigged, this is all staged. The reason why a Bitcoin ETF hasn't come out is the same reason why we haven't received any regulation. Because they don't want any rules. Just remember that. Because they're the ones holding the bags. So they don't want any rules to the game. Now, to prove this point is that, of course, we have Tab Group. Tab Group is doing over-the-counter trading. And they actually have more liquidity over the counter than the exchanges. So the fact is that they're holding all the liquidity. Now, it's not any of you guys, because you don't have that type of money. So the fact is that basically the banks. Remember who owns Bitcoin. The banks is the official. Bitcoin is just like gold. when we're looking at the digital currencies, they hold all of it. So you have Tab Group, who's over the counter, just like I said, has more trading volume than all those exchanges put together. Now, why is the Bitcoin ETF going to come this year? Has to come. Because basically, remember in my previous videos, I talk about the stock market. Stock market is going to go down. Cryptocurrencies are going to come up. Cryptocurrencies is 2020, 2021 is going to be the year and the elevation of this new currency. So the rising of the phoenix, if you want to say that. So Bitcoin ETF will be approved by August of this year. Because remember I said the stock market is going to start taking that crash starting in October. So they're going to be generating all this money over into Bitcoin. So you're going to have to, if you're going to move pensions and 401ks over to Bitcoin, of course you're going to have regulation. And we're going to start seeing regulation this summer. A lot of it. And it's going to come fast. Now, with the Bitcoin ETF, I think we have one that's left. I think Bitwise, and that's for February 26th or 28th. Most likely that will not be approved or it'll be extended. But we'll definitely have an ETF in August of this year, without a shadow of a doubt. Because the fact is that the earnings are going to be so weak in October. You're looking at your bond yields, the repo market. They have to move over derivatives. All of these current assets that we have in the stock market are going to be moved over to blockchain, digital currency, the fintech banks. So this is going to be the rise of the new economy. So I just want to do that quick video because, again, I just want to make sure that we're on the same page. Yes, we will have a Bitcoin ETF. And the wonderful part about the Bitcoin ETF is that that's going to make Ethereum and Litecoin, XRP, all those coins are going to jump and move right along with it. Because we know all the cryptos move with Bitcoin. So that's all I have today. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget I have the Crypto Teacher book on Amazon, plus on my website, btcteacher.com. I have the links below for Binance, Coinbase, Bitrue, and then you also can get your chip stocks from Robinhood. Remember, everything's going to have a chip in it. But you have a great day. Thank you for listening.